Hello everyone, I am SK Tiwari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well and be safe and you are also good. And today I am going to morning walk and I daily going to morning walk, and I daily say to all of you always going to morning walk, and morning walk is good for our health. And today I am going to running with my uncle, and I daily going to running, and I daily say to all of you always going to running, and running is good for our health. And today I am going to doing many exercise with my friends, and I say to all of you exercise is good for our body shape and our fitness. And present time body shape is most important for boys. And today I am talking about a new phone unboxing. And today I make a video unboxing video, and I buy a phone, and phone name is Apple iPhone 13. And today let's go on my video, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you.